Hello there. Some days when I'm driving, I am glad that I've got a dash cam because some of the stuff that you see out there is bizarre. So, a bit of background: about a year and a half ago, I fitted a Fitcamx 4K dash cam to my Q4 E-Tron. I'll put a link in the description if you want to look at the camera. And, well, I'm just going to talk you through the random bits that happened on my commute to work today. And this morning, traffic getting into Edinburgh was pretty bad. Apparently, people on the city bypass can't drive in a straight line when the rain comes without crashing into each other. So, traffic was queued up pretty badly on the way into town. But eventually, we cleared that and we do our normal splitting into 2 lanes to head into the city. 2 lanes into the roundabout, 2 lanes coming back off the roundabout. And not a complete surprise, the van needs both lanes coming off the roundabout for some reason. That regularly happens here. I progress up the hill, we pull out to pass a bus, I pull back in, I'm watching the van on the junction on the left, I check my rearview mirror to look at the car that's pulled in behind me, and I glance back round in time to see this van coming over and have to take to the pavement using a driveway as an escape route. Now admittedly I missed the first flash on the indicator because I was looking in my rearview mirror, but it was close. Now same day on the way home, I noticed this Puma taking the racing line across the solid white lines there. You don't often see that at that part of the road. So we catch up with the car in front, and then eventually we catch up with a tractor. And clearly there's not much we can do in this part. Following the tractor through the bends. Now there is a section around this corner where you can overtake if it's clear. So you come around the bend, you see your opportunity and you go. I'll put a little pop up here to show you what actually happened. Notice the car coming towards us, and luckily the Mini braked a little bit to give the guy a bit of space to pull back in. And at this point I'm thinking, I'm going to have to check that on the dash cam when I get home, because that looked quite close. What I didn't see coming was the Puma going for the overtake over the chevrons at the junction when there's a van about to pull out who had to brake as well. A couple of miles later on, I caught up with the Puma again, and again he was doing some, I don't know if he's trying to do some sort of qualifying lap or something, I'm not sure, straight lining bits here and there, but not particularly well back there, and a little bit of a straight line here, and then braking quite heavily, which is pretty unnecessary. A bit of the other side of the road again. Some more braking, which I think was because of the pedestrians, but I'm not sure. This part I understand, there's a big puddle there. Everyone takes the middle of the road there. But at this point I'm giving the guy a bit of space because I'm not really sure what he's up to. And he has another go at the solid line here when there's a car coming. Just drift over a bit too far. Oh, come back in. And hilariously, at the end of all this, when he turned off to the left, he was making a hand signal at the window that suggested that he thought I was perhaps masturbating while I was driving. Whereas it kind of looked to me that it might be the other way around. Clearly, there were no accidents there, so I didn't need to go and check the dashcam footage, but sometimes it's interesting to go back and look at what's happened. And with this camera, you can just download it onto your phone. You connect via Wi-Fi. It takes about a minute to go in and download a section of video. Right, that's all I've got for you in this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.